Hi, good afternoon. My name is Charles Angelo B. Mendoza. I'm here to demonstrate of how to announce the stress signal, urgency message, and safety message. So without further ado, let's proceed. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Mendoza, MB Mendoza, MB Mendoza. Call sign Delta Yankee Lima Alpha. MMSI number 548762000. Latitude 14 degree 30 north, longitude 120 degree 55 east. Our ship is taking water and sinking fast. We have 8 crew members on board. Need immediate rescue. Over. Pan 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 pan. All station, all station. This is MB Mendoza, MB Mendoza, MB Mendoza. Call sign Delta Yankee Lima Alpha. MMSI number 548762000. My position 10 miles south of Corregidor Island. Our main engine is stuck. We are drifting, no immediate danger but need assistance. Over. Security, security, security. This is MB Mendoza, MB Mendoza, MB Mendoza. Call sign Delta Yankee Lima Alpha. MMSI number 548762000. To all vessels in Manila Bay area. Large floating rock reported near to the north channel. Very dangerous. Please navigate with caution. Over.